In this video, I'll walk you through a powerful CATIA V5 macro designed to automate the creation of product structures using Excel. This is especially useful for managing complex assemblies with multiple parts and subassemblies. The process begins with a structured Excel table. In this table, we enter the part number, a clear description, revision level, and the hierarchical level of each part in the assembly. Based on this, the macro generates a fully organized product structure inside CATIA, respecting the parent-child relationships and the order of components. This not only saves time, but also ensures a consistent and error-free assembly structure. Now that the structure is created, we'll move on to designing a simple part. I'll define the base sketch, set up key dimensions like length, width, and height, and specify the sheet metal thickness. Then, I assign the material based on the design table or manual selection. These design parameters are crucial for manufacturing and documentation. Once the part is modeled, we use the macro to update the part's properties automatically. This step ensures that metadata, such as part name, material, thickness, and revision, is correctly stored in the part document. These values are linked to the Excel input, so everything remains consistent between the design and documentation. Here we can take a look at the updated properties. As you can see, all key attributes like part number, material, and thickness are now visible in the Document Properties panel, properly filled without manual entry. Let's now make a change to the part, for example, adjusting the thickness or updating the description. After modifying the values, we run the macro again to apply the changes. The part updates instantly, and the new properties are reflected immediately, keeping your design in sync with the data source. This workflow is ideal for teams that need to manage frequent changes and maintain full control over part metadata and structure.